have so much shit in my closet. It's ridiculous. Like, I purge it every season. You know, we could always use more purging, right? Get rid of more stuff. So I'm gonna go through every item in my closet and hopefully get rid of a lot, because I know that it's gonna feel really good when I get rid of a lot of things. Let's do that. Yeah. Let's see what's in my closet. All this stuff is coming out onto the bed. So we're gonna purge it all. This is what we have so far, and we're gonna go through it all. I love all of it. I don't want to get rid of any of it, but I'm gonna try. We have all those to go through, and then we have jackets, and then I have this bag right here is actually to sell, and then this bag is for donate. So that's gonna be a donate bag. And then if we go over here, drawer 1 with summer stuff, and then we have drawer 2 with more summer stuff like linen and all of that. We're gonna see how this goes. I gotta take off my blazer for this. I'm already hot. I have a shit ton of empty hangers. This is cheesy as hell, but I love it. Probably won't get rid of this. I love it though. She's got shoulder pads. Too cute. I can't. Ready to cami now. We're gonna try and go through the bottoms now. My new peasant style skirt. It's really flowy, summer's coming up. I don't like to waste my own time, so. So we just got through the dresses, tops, bottoms. So we're making progress here, which I like. Okay, so after a short break and a drink of coffee, a sip of coffee, or 2 or 3, we're gonna hang up the stuff that I'm gonna keep, which is the majority of things. And then we're gonna conquer the blocks up there, because that has all the stuff in it that I'm probably gonna get rid of. Don't wear these as often as I'd like to. I live in a place where summer is like literally 2.5 months out of the year, so I'm gonna keep it. This is hard.
That's what she said.
This is an Alexander McQueen scarf that will never ever go away. Thank you, Melissa, for getting me this. Let's do this. I never wear this. It's so cute though. Maybe. We're gonna decide on that one. We've made quite a bit of progress here. I'm gonna go through my shoes. This bag was shoes that I'm going to get rid of. It's still that way. So we're gonna get rid of all of these. Yeah. There's a drawer under my bed. That's just for shoes. Let's take a look. It's all shoes. All of that is shoes. Keeping these for sure. These are a toss. I love these. I need to get these fixed. They're breaking on the bottom. I'm gonna keep them.
Why?
Steve Madden. I got rid of one pair though. Progress. Another cube of shoes. We're gonna keep these, wear them to events. I make it sound like I go to a bunch of events.
I don't go to a bunch of events.
I like to dress up to things that you usually wouldn't dress up to, because that's how I am. the worst part for me, jackets. I have all these jackets and blazers, and all these jackets and blazers. How the hell am I gonna get rid of these? I love this blazer. It's really lightweight and it's good for summer, so we're gonna keep it. Off to a great start, Jessica. Getting rid of so many things. I hate putting things on because then I know that I'm gonna love it. Will I wear it in the next 6 months? Probably not. Done. My favorite piece that I just got. It's gorgeous. It's stunning. I love it. My armpit itches really bad. What's up? How do you feel in that jacket?
I feel like a mouse.
It is 7:12 in the evening. Oh, there's another drawer down here. It's really hard to let go. I don't know, keep it or not, to be decided. I don't feel like my closet's any less full, to be honest with you. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this again. Probably not. This is my summer bathing suit drawer. Keep over here, toss over there. She came, she saw, she fucked shit up. Done. I have a belt problem. Bags. Gonna keep it. Get rid of this. Done. Oops. We're gonna put some salad stuff in here. We're gonna do that. All that we're gonna sell. Or donate on all this. This is the final result. Jackets in black. I cannot believe how long that took me. We got rid of a lot of stuff. I'm really happy with it. Unfortunately, because I can't leave, can't go donate and sell these bags of clothing. We're gonna have to wait. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope that helped you clean your closet a little bit better. Just remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.